Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So we have our monthly fashion Nova haul. It's a little late this month. I got caught up on creating content, wearing the pieces and like going to the beach, but I'm here showing you some amazing pieces for the rest of the summer. Summer just started, so yeah. And I also have a Fashion Nova coupon code if you guys didn't know. I don't make money off of it, but it's down below if you want to use it. So yeah, I'm loving a lot of these pieces. They remind me of the reason why I fell in love with Fashion Nova before. Also, the AC is on because it's 90 degrees, so I'm gonna stop talking. All right, let's get into the video. Love you. So this dress, the first dress, I absolutely loved. I thought the color was so beautiful. I'm not wearing any shapewear actually. I'm just wearing some underwear that I guess they're kind of like shapewear, but they're really not. They just kind of like suck you in a little bit more than underwear. And you can see how good it looks. Like, I just feel like it looks so flattering on my shape. It's the perfect kind of dress that makes you feel like you're sexy and like you're wearing something that anyone else would wear in the club, but you still aren't like super exposed. I love the little hint of the opening in the back. It's just enough that you're not showing all your back fat and everything, but it's sexy because it's like right, you know, above your booty, and it's just like super cute. I love the cutouts, the color. It reminds me very much of like 90s Miami Barbie. I don't know. I love the one shoulder vibe that's very popular right now, and I love that look. And overall, I just think this dress is super flattering. It's super comfortable. You just throw it on. There's no zippers, nothing extra. It's a really nice piece. So obviously this next dress is super me. Like, I love the leopard print with the giraffe print. It's just all these animal prints, but the color is so chic and grown up, and it's just really pretty. It has the balloon sleeves with nice stretchy arms. I love that with this kind of style. It has that off-shoulder v-neck look, but then you can also still just wear your bra and you don't have to wear a strapless bra. It's also the perfect length. You guys know this is like my dream length, where it's like a little bit above the knee or at the knee. And then I love that it has this great elastic waistband. You can see it really cinches the waist, and I just feel like my waist looks super tiny in this. And it's super comfortable, breathable material. You could wear this any time of the year. I feel like in the fall or winter you could wear this with boots, and then obviously in the spring and summer you can wear it with sandals. It's so flattering. This next dress again is another one of those easy throw-on pieces. You can see it has that same v-neck, slightly off the shoulder, a little cap sleeve style, and again it has the leopard print, but very chic. This has really nice ruching down the center of it, and you'll see you can actually pull it to make it shorter or longer depending on how you want it. Again, this is a throw-on dress. You just slip it right on. It makes you look super snatched and just cinched. It's super flattering. I feel like you could wear it any time of year. Again, these dresses really remind me of why I fell in love with Fashion Nova. They're just really nice, trendy, just cute dresses that you can wear, you know, for anything, any occasion, going out, looking cute, you know what I mean? Like, I just really like it. Next, we probably have what I think is my favorite. I think this is just so beautiful and romantic. It's like this Baroque style. Again, with the same v-neck off the shoulder. Very pretty. I've been wearing stuff like this for a long time. It's just, to me, very classic and feminine. One of my favorite silhouettes. Again, has that nice detail at the waist and the ruching at the sleeves. It is just so beautiful, so flattering. It's double lined. So the bottom is a very soft, stretchy material, and then the top is like a thinner, stretchy mesh kind of see-through material. It is just so beautiful. The colors, oh my god, like, I absolutely love this dress. I think it's so flattering and so comfortable. This next set is really, really cute. I kind of wish it was a dress just because for me, I have this big gap in my back between my butt and my back, and it's just a mess. And it makes a cute little arch, but, you know, it's not cute with clothes, okay? But this thing is so cool and sexy and flattering, especially in the booty. Like, it just looks so cool. It gives you that really, like, sexy peach bottom effect. I just think it looks really, really cool and cute. It's very comfortable. Again, it's like double lined, so it has a stretchy like nude material, and then the top layer is a stretchy mesh black material that gives it that two-toned look. It's very flattering, very comfortable. It has adjustable straps. It has a zipper in the back, which I wish it didn't, because the zipper kind of, I don't know, it's just not good for me. I wish it was a little bit more high waist, but it's super sexy, super flattering. I would wear it, especially with like maybe a duster on top or something. I would wear this for sure. Next, I kept on the top from the last set, and the item I'm showing you are obviously these yellow pants. They're so cute, so comfortable. Last year I had a pair of floral pants like these, and you guys loved them. Asked me where I got them from, and it's so hard to find pants that fit me, that are flattering, and these are really, really cute. I wish they were a little bit more high waist just for me, but they're a little bit big on me on the waist, so they kind of fall. But they're so cute. They're high waist. They have like a thick band. I love that they have the tie. They're just so cute, and they actually fit me really nicely. They're so, I just love the material. I love the pleated look of them. You guys know I love these kind of pleated trousers. They're so comfortable and such a great option when you don't want to wear a skirt or jeans for the 5,000th time. That's not a word. But yeah, I really like these. I hope they have them in other colors, because I definitely recommend them, and I probably will get them in other colors. This next item doesn't need much description. It's a very high thigh one piece, not particularly flattering on me. I kept my underwear on, obviously. I would wear this though for like a photo shoot if I had a private pool. I know I'd get a banging tan though. Next piece is this really interesting see-through trench. It's like a meshy, shiny material. I thought it was really cute, really pretty for photos. I think this would look cute over a bathing suit for a photo shoot, or just because. I mean, I'm sure someone with a more eclectic fashion sense could find something to do with this, but I thought it was so fun. For some reason, it really reminds me of like Missy Elliott. I feel like this is something she would wear, and I just love the color. And then mixed with the pink or white, I think it looks really, really cute. And for summer, it just makes a cool accessory, like for a pool party or something. I think it's cute. If you guys enjoyed this, hit stay glam. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.